我们总是从客户角度出发，在乎接触您的每个时刻，提供贴心的数位环境，便利的客户服务，感动每一颗心。应用多元，精彩无限。GT 智慧生活，以行动宽屏数位，与您一起迎向未来。
Jamf offers two device management platforms for education, Jamf Pro and Jamf School. Each provides apps and integrations to simplify technology workflows and classroom management, plus empower teachers, students, and parents with resources for enhanced learning. To determine which Jamf solution is right for you, ask yourself, which Apple devices do I need to manage? Do I manage multiple school locations? What workflows do I need to automate? And see if any of these scenarios resonate. You're a K-12 school without a dedicated IT team that's using iPad and needs to ensure teachers and students have high-quality technology. You want something that fits within your budget, is simple and intuitive, and is hosted in the cloud. Jamf School offers easy setup, management, and security for iPad, and a simplified way to track device inventory, enforce passcodes, and deploy the apps and settings needed for the classroom, all without ever touching the device. While Jamf Pro also offers the teacher and parent app, Jamf School excels with them, offering more features designed to maximize tech tools. These apps make it possible to quickly control and manage Apple devices, meaning students set up their own device and stay focused, teachers prepare lesson profiles and communicate with students, parents help keep homework sessions focused and without distraction. Next, you oversee multiple schools with thousands of Apple devices within a district and do have a dedicated IT team. You need powerful workflows to automate administrative work and support the growing number of devices across different locations. Jamf Pro can customize device settings and build dynamic smart groups based on advanced criteria, then automatically trigger device management tasks to deliver a customized onboarding process, curated catalog of apps, resources, and classroom management tools for educators district-wide. This can be done across the entire Apple ecosystem and in shared or one-to-one device settings. Jamf Pro is also best suited for higher education institutions with multiple departments and campuses to support. Still unsure? Jamf has a full portfolio of offerings and pricing plans to support your needs. Give us a call or submit a trial request today.
Meet the Rugged Combo 3. Designed with educational professionals, it unlocks the potential of your iPad in classrooms or anywhere you take it. Here's how you can use Rugged Combo 3 to make the most of your classroom. Rugged Combo 3 has been engineered to exceed military standards of drop protection. That means you can drop it from 4 feet and it'll still protect your iPad. The magnetic latch keeps your iPad in place and protects it while you're on the go. The resilient keyboard features a spill-proof, pry-proof membrane that can withstand classroom mishaps. When spills happen, just wipe it and keep going. The extra-large asset window on the back gives you plenty of room to add a tag and see other specs. Use your Rugged Combo 3 any way you like. It's sturdy and won't tip over. The adjustable stand at the back lets you find the perfect position for your iPad. A permanently attached keyboard makes it easier for students to type and to perform all kinds of functions. The plug-resistant keys are protected under a sealed membrane that protects them from prying fingers. The protective membrane also allows for silent typing, so students can type away while maintaining the sanctity of your classroom. iOS shortcut keys keep important functions at students' fingertips. Let's go over the shortcuts now. Home. Go to the home screen. Screen brightness. Virtual keyboard. Shows or hides the virtual keyboard. Search. Brings up iOS search field. Siri. Activate digital assistant. Screenshot. Take a photo of current screen. Media controls. Back. Play or pause. Forward. Volume controls. Lock screen. Locks iPad screen. Rugged Combo 3 has 4 different modes. For type mode, dock the keyboard upright. Just fold the keyboard downward and open the kickstand. If you'd like, the palm rest can be flipped under the keyboard to save space. For viewing mode, fold back the keyboard behind the iPad. This is perfect for watching videos. For sketch mode, collapse the screen all the way down. This is great for sketching and writing with your Logitech crayon. For read mode, close the kickstand and tuck in the palm rest to have access to the camera. Then, fold the keyboard behind the iPad. Use this mode to read books, articles, and more. No need to pair or charge your Rugged Combo 3. The keyboard connects to your iPad via the Smart Connector and sources the little power it needs from the iPad. The Smart Connector also offers a secure one-to-one connection, which protects your students' data. When you need to charge your iPad, just plug in through the Lightning port. And the Rugged Combo 3 is only 2.4 centimeters wide, slim enough to fit in the most popular charging carts. All the important ports and controls are easily found around the sides of your Rugged Combo 3. Here's the Lightning port for charging, the headphone jack, the power button, and volume controls. Rugged Combo 3 is easy to clean. Just make sure to spray your cleaner onto a cloth and wipe away. And remember, don't spray directly onto the device, and don't use bleach. And you're good to go! Setup for Rugged Combo 3 is easier and quicker than ever. It takes less than 30 seconds to assemble and only 5 seconds to disassemble. Now let's assemble it. Make sure to set aside and review any documentation that comes with your Rugged Combo 3. Place your iPad inside the case and press down on all 4 corners to secure it. Make sure the camera and camera opening are lined up. Pull out the adjustable kickstand and fold the keyboard downward. And type away. It's that easy. If you'd like, you can store your Logitech crayon in the holder in the magnetic latch. Now you're ready to get going. Disassembly is easy and quick. Just press down on all 4 corners of your Rugged Combo 3 and your iPad will pop up. Then just grab it and go.